Have you ever wondered why tech giants like Google and Facebook are so incredibly rich? It's not just their platforms, it's the massive amounts of data you and I freely give them every single day. Our likes, our clicks, our searches, our locations, it's all packaged up, analyzed, and sold. But what if there was a way to get a piece of that pie? What if you, the owner of that data, could actually benefit? That's the core idea behind the Newton Protocol. Think of it as a new kind of internet where you're not just a user, you're a co-owner. It's a decentralized infrastructure designed to give you back control of your digital identity and your valuable data. Here's how it works. The Newton Protocol is built on a few key components. First, there's the new chain, a public blockchain that acts as the foundation. It's fast, efficient, and designed to handle a huge number of transactions. Think of it as the superhighway for all the data and value being exchanged. Second, there's the Newton token, NU. This is the native cryptocurrency of the network. It's used for everything from paying transaction fees to governing the protocol. But most importantly, it's how you get rewarded. When you contribute your data or participate in the ecosystem, you can earn new tokens. Now, the really cool part is the applications built on top of this protocol. They call it the Newton ecosystem. Instead of a single company owning your data, dApps, or decentralized applications, built on Newton can't misuse or sell your information without your consent. These dApps can be anything from social media platforms to e-commerce sites. Imagine an online store where, when you make a purchase, the data from that transaction earns you a small reward in tokens. Or a fitness app that pays you in NU for sharing your workout data. The Newton Protocol is about shifting power from the centralized corporations back to the individual. It's about a future where you have true ownership of your digital life and where your contributions are finally valued. It's not just a technical concept, it's a new economic model for the internet. It's a big, ambitious vision that could fundamentally change how we interact with technology and how our data is used. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.